fried chicken here is probably that prairie chicken will take the world and attack all of us. They're kind of like with George Bush, so my biggest thing is I want to research prairie chickens and how we can effectively control against them.
Yeah, they have those scary big red bulbs underneath their necks, don't they?
Those in fact they're full of poison, and there's a poison that it's actually like a biological control. Like people are trying to control this substance because it's capable of killing all of your city. One prairie chicken.
What's so different about this particular species of prairie chickens that we're going to be facing?
Well, the greater prairie chicken, the Tympanuchus cupido, is so dangerous because it, so never before in the avian community, the history of the avian community, has there ever been such a dangerous bird. There's such high recorded levels of intelligence with these birds. Their brains are actually 50% larger than the lesser prairie chicken, making them capable of mass destruction.
That's terrifying. So we're headed up north right now, and we've received intelligence that there is a prairie chicken headquarters. A cell, if you will. Just a little bit towards the mountains of North Hudson, and it might sound kind of funny. Chickens having a cell, it's not funny. Prairie chickens and George Bush are trying to take over the world right now, and we need to go and make sure that if there is a cell, we break it apart, we kill all of them, we leave none behind to go inform their other friends elsewhere throughout the United States. But we're going to go and we need to do our part for the world.
Well, before you see the landscape of upstate New York. We're driving north to the Adirondack Mountains, so it's starting to become more hilly. This is not ideal prairie chicken habitat, which is perfect for their team because no one would expect them to be here. Typically, they inhabit much more open, wide, unfragmented sections of prairie and grassland ecosystems, and to find them in northern hardwood forest is a very rare thing, which is what makes it so perfect for the plant. No one would ever expect to see them here.
Right now, I would like for you to notice the awful weather outside. There's fog blanketing the valleys. It's raining. You can't see more than half a mile here. And I don't know if any of you have seen the most recent Harry Potter movie, but when Voldemort is starting to come into power, the weather turns real bad. The skies get gray, and the weather just speaks to the danger that they're in, and that is exactly what is happening right now. This is a sign that the prairie chickens are coming back.
What was that? Monica, did you hear that? What? Monica. I think there's a prairie chicken outside. It's a PM looking outside to make sure there aren't any prairie chickens around. Wait, this shit just got real. Is that prairie chicken poop? I don't know. If it is. I'm so scared. We just gotta do it. We're about to go. I'm not sure if we're gonna come out. We've also a letter on the car to let them know that if they don't come out, they should evacuate this area and bomb it. The last resort. We know you're in there!
I'm gonna find you, Tympanuchus, cupido. Right now, I'm gonna use their mated call to try and track them. Yeah, it's gonna be a search.
And I was far out in the ocean. I cut the roof from my mouth on the potion. And down.
We just found their headquarters. Come with me. Which is in the hotel. We're on an evening feeding mission. You can't touch anything because they're highly poisonous. That hole there, that's where they've been working from. And that what looks like toilet paper is actually what they've been writing their evil, evil world taking over plans and also sending messages to Bush. We have to go now.
And I was far out in the ocean.
Look what they did to me. This shit just got real.
The flavor, but I made a choice to stay here.